we all the participants are in a get-up of some of our teachers in the school. Here we are to celebrate the Teachers' Day. Yes, it is Teachers' Day occasion which is very special for all our students because this is the only day in which we can give a tribute to all the teachers' effort that they are showing in these periodics. So yes, let's just start with a Guru Vandana to be held by Ritika of class 6th.
Ritika, unmute.
Good evening to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. So, Ritika of class 5B is here to present Guru Vandana dedicated to all my teachers. Our teachers, they guide us, they inspire us, they teach us. Today is the day to thank them and say, Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Ritika.
Thank you, Ritika, for such delightful thoughts. And yes, it was a really very exciting and beautiful Guru Bandhana. So, I don't think that without giving a speech for the hard work of the teachers, we should proceed. So, calling upon Aritrika of class 7th, we have prepared a speech for you all.
A teacher helps us recognize our talent and interest, guide and support us, also motivate us to do our best. Good evening to one and all. Here I am standing to give you a speech for them who maintain me beside my parents. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. As we know that we all have gathered here today to celebrate the efforts of our teachers who are believed to be the second parents and guiding masters of our career. It is an honorable occasion for all of us to wish our teachers on this Teachers' Day, which is celebrated on 5th September. This day is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great philosopher, professor, teacher, and second Prime President of India. This is an opportunity to pay tribute to our teachers for their efforts. We should show gratitude to our teachers who never considered as less than their own children while teaching and guiding. They inspire and motivate us whenever required. They are the one who prepare us to tackle the tough situation in our life at early age with their knowledge and patience. Teachers are the building blocks of our life. At the end, dear teachers, we will never forget you at any stage of either is in childhood or adulthood because we are just here because of you. We all are thankful and grateful for all your efforts. A teacher's purpose is not to create students in his own image, but to create students who can create their own image. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe. And once again, thank you to all the teachers and their efforts.
Thank you, Aritrika, for very nice speech. So I can only agree with you because I have no other word to say for the efforts of these teachers. But yeah, I would really like to say a poem for all. I have come to your class to learn and grow, but I almost was impressed with the love that you showed. You showed me new version of life and tried your best to make me as sharp as a knife. I wonder if my drawing is as good as theirs. I wonder if my teacher just look like my mom or gran, and I wonder if my puppy is wonder where I am. This was all just for the teachers and their endlessly efforts. So calling upon Tanishka of class 7th for a Hindi poem.
शिक्षक शिक्षक के पास ही हो कला है जो मिट्टी को सोने में बदल सकता है। हम स्कूल रोज हैं जाते, शिक्षक हमको पाठ पढ़ाते, दिल बच्चों का कोरा कागज उस पर ज्ञान अमिट लिखवाते, जाति धर्म पर कोई ना लड़े, करना सबसे प्रेम सिखाते, हमें सफलता कैसे पानी, कैसे चढ़ना शिखर बताते, सच तो यह है स्कूल में अच्छे एक इंसान बनाते। एक अच्छा शिक्षक आशा की प्रेरणा, कल्पना को साकार और अध्ययन के लिए प्रेम जगा सकता है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Tanishka. Thank you so much. Yes, it is true. The God has even said that the teacher is at a higher position than that. It's a very big thank you to all the teachers for helping all the students in their mind, in their heart, in such a pandemic time. This is a really very big effort being put by you. So my team, our team, Ravelians are really very thankful to all the teachers in Ravel. Yeah, I don't think that after these much efforts of teacher, any student or parent has to go to the school, or after so much of efforts of the officers and doctors, I don't think that we should step out of house. So please stay safe, stay home and stay healthy, keep smiling. This is all what we could do in such online pandemic.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all the children. We are really feel blessed to have a children like you, those who have feelings for all of us. Thank you so much. All.
Ma'am, this is not that much.
Not even the half what you do.
Thank you, Sanjana. Thank you so much. This is a big thank to all of you from my side. You are the student. That is why we are your teachers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vicky. Thank you, all of you, for such a surprising event.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks, Sanjana, Tanisha. It's very good.
सत्य और न्याय के पथ पर चलना शिक्षक हमें बताते हैं। संघर्षों से लड़कर जीतना शिक्षक हमें सिखाते हैं। Happy teachers to each and everyone, and I would like to thank all the students for putting such a surprise assembly for the teachers and making them feel that they're doing their level best and making them feel so special. We are really blessed to have you all children. Once again, wish you a very happy Teachers' Day on the behalf of my students to all my lovely staff members. God bless you, children. Keep rising, keep shining.